If your Black & Decker portable air conditioner shows an FT error code, it usually means the internal water tank is full and the unit shuts itself off to prevent water overflow. Portable ACs remove moisture while cooling, and that collected condensation builds up inside the tank. Once the water reaches the limit, a float sensor activates the FT warning and stops the system until the water is drained. To fix it, first turn off and unplug the unit for safety. Locate the drain plug or cap at the back or bottom of the air conditioner and carefully drain the collected water into a container. After emptying it, securely close the drain cap and restart the unit. If you're using a continuous drain hose, check that it isn't bent, blocked, or positioned upward, since it must slope downward for proper drainage. If the FT error still appears after draining, the float switch inside may be stuck and should be checked to ensure it moves freely. Regular filter cleaning, proper airflow, and keeping the unit level can help prevent this issue in the future.